Hey guys, we received this Lily's home glass decanter and the whiskey glasses for the drinks, and you can see this comes as a set. So one decanter and two glasses. So I just take out these things, and the quality wise or the weight wise looks really heavy duty glasses and the decanter and the very nice set. So let me just open and show it to you as well. So it's a heavy base and a solid glass stopper as well, as I can show it to you here. So this is usually used to prevent or to keep the drink fresh. And these glasses are really good and premium. That makes your drink a fun and pretty nice as a gift as well that you can give and the person can enjoy. So this is around I will say 9 and a quarter in the width, and the glasses are also like a heavy duty glasses with a nice design on the top. So this is a really good set for the two glasses and the bottle, and then you can easily wash, clean, and keep it dry to use it every time you want to drink. So overall, a very nice set, and the pair with a heavy duty, heavy base decanter, as you can see it here with the matching design.